Thanks for clicking on the Weather Blender blog. Hey everybody, Jason Parrish in the Storm Tracker 12 Weather Lab. Let's take a look at the weekend weather on this edition of the Weather blog. First though, here's our forecast for Saturday. And the forecast shows a mix of clouds and sunshine. It's going to be a cool day with temperatures in the 50s. It's going to be a little on the breezy side. And there is just a slight chance of a rain shower Saturday. Right now it doesn't look like a big deal, but as we jump into the computer model data, this is Saturday evening on the GFS, and a quick look at this isn't really showing much. We've got some very light precipitation up to the north of us across western Pennsylvania, and even that is incredibly light. A little bit more so across New York State. But what it is a low pressure system that's just going to sit there for a day or two. And what's going to happen is not only it's going to bring in some cooler air, take a look at temperatures just above the surface for the same time frame. This is Saturday evening on our 850 chart. Look at all that blue. That is some cool air on those gusty northwest winds. So it will not be a warm day on Saturday with highs only in the 50s. But look at the 500 millibar chart, and you can see we still have low pressure situated over New England. See those little areas of green and yellow and then some brighter reds? Those are areas of lift, and you can see on Saturday afternoon and into the evening, we've got one heading into northern West Virginia, and that could produce a little bit more cloud coverage on Saturday in the afternoon and especially the evening. And that could maybe produce a sprinkle or two. Right now it doesn't look like a big deal. And it looks like this low will also influence our weather at least for the first part of Sunday with some cloud coverage as well. But it will be dry and still cool on Sunday as well. Let's jump ahead to Monday morning, 12Z on the GFS, and the weather is looking better on Monday. I think we'll have a little bit more sunshine as a large area of high pressure begins to influence our weather there by Monday morning. And I think a nice day coming up on Tuesday. You can see it stays dry with that high pressure really in control there of the weather across the Midwest, the Ohio Valley, and into the Mid-Atlantic region. Okay, so here's a look at the 7-day forecast. So we'll have clouds around tomorrow, slight chance of a shower, breezy and cool. Sunday, still a mix of clouds and sunshine, temperatures in the 50s once again. But then as the high takes over Monday, more sunshine, a little warmer, 60. And you can see just temperatures gradually moderate through much of next week. Thursday and Friday, thanks to afternoon heating, there could be just a slight chance of a pop-up afternoon shower. But the big story over the weekend will be these cool temperatures, highs only in the 50s, lows overnight in the 30s, maybe even a little bit of patchy frost. We'll have to watch out for that as we head into Saturday and Sunday night, especially across the higher elevations and in those valleys as well. And expecting temperatures to get a little bit better throughout much of next week. Have a great weekend. Thanks for clicking on the Weather Blender blog. We always appreciate you viewing it. And don't forget, you can click on WBOY.com anytime for the latest weather information.